Hi everybody, Coach Kanya here, and I have something really exciting I'm going to show you. And hold on a minute, I need to go. I wanted to get everything cleared out of the way so that we would be nice and fresh. What I want to share with you is a mystical wood. Let me turn it. It's a mystical wood. So I'm fascinated by all this. Like I use the sage and do clearing. Once a week, I always clear around the house any negative energy with sage. But I just found this mystical wood, so I wanted to show it to you. Obviously, I tried it out before I tested it with you, but you're going to be like on live testing for like the second time, okay? So take a look at it. It's just a piece of wood, but it's a mystical wood. It's called Palo Santo, Palo Santo wood. It comes from South America, Peru, and it's related to frankincense and myrrh. And in the Spanish name, it's called a holy wood, okay? It has a sweet smell, a sweet note of pine. So it's used for clearing and pine, mint, and a little hint of lemon. So it's very, very different than the burning of the sage, right? So I'm reading off the different benefits of it. It was brand new to me. I had never seen it before. And it's purifying and energizing. So I use it in my office for extra energy, okay? And it's for cleansing. So if you have a new space that you're moving into or you're redecorating, you can burn this for cleansing, okay? Let's see, it's also has physical healing properties and it removes negative energy. So all of this is really good, right? So it's fascinating though. This one piece of mystical tree wood, Palo Santo, cost me $3, okay? So what do you do with the Palo Santo? So you basically turn it upside down. We're gonna light it, and we let the smoke go all around us to cleanse us, and let the ambers. We will save the ambers in our shell. Okay. Let's see, what else? Let me see what else it's used for. The shamans in Peru and their families go collect this wood from the forest, from that magical tree, and that's how it's collected. Okay, let's see. It's meant to just cleanse, so you kind of go around your body with it and cleanse. Unlike, and it's like a smudging stick, okay? So very similar to my sage, but with this piece of wood. So I thought I would, and we can activate crystals with it, which I thought was pretty interesting. So let's see what else I see on it. I'm just experiencing it for the first time myself. Okay, it's holy wood, it's part of the citrus family, so that's why it has some pine, mint, and lemon. But I thought it would add a nice smell to the room with the citrus overtones. So let's give it a try. This is a good day to do something like this. So we're supposed to light it. It takes a bit longer to light, it looks like. Okay. Pretty, huh? I have my shell right here. Okay. Cool. The smell is amazing. Smells a little lemony. Okay. A little pine. And a little minty. So this is my office area. Interesting, huh? Palo Santo wood from Peru. I would love to see what that wood looks like in the forest. The magical tree of Palo Santo. Smells amazing. It's lemon. It's like pine. It's cleansing. It brings inspiration and creativity. Deeper connections. Removal of negative energy. It's amazing. The other thing you can do with it is you can activate your stones. So you see my stones. This is tourmaline. You can activate your stones. My crystal's activated. I'm just playing. Smells so fresh. It's amazing. Palo Santo. Unlike my sage is very different. Citrusy smell, pine smell, the burning of the wood. It's amazing. Whew. And I'll just set it back in my conch shell. Pretty, huh? And let it burn out. You could have a cup of water next to you. It activated my crystals. I want to see if you can see the crystal. This crystal is really beautiful. This one. So let's see if I can get this up close for you. It's beautiful. It has lots of shine. So, if you haven't tried it, give it a try. From the sacred tree of South America, the Palo Santo. It's from Peru. It's a wood used as an incense, and it's a pine, lemony, very fresh smell, used for clearing, healing. Smells a little lemony too. It's amazing. Purifying. I use it in my office. Energy, so it's going to get me to be creativity. And don't forget the Spanish name of Palo Santo means holy wood. So I thought it was fascinating. Bye-bye.